Hello, this tutorial is going to be for a mum backer, but I am going to show you how to make a beautiful mum backer using unconventional items and scrap pieces of ribbons. So I've got a whole bunch of ribbons here that are just odd shaped, that were either ones that I didn't use or they were just excess that I had cut off. So they're all different shapes and sizes and patterns. On these wired ribbons, you always want to take out the wire when you're using them on homecoming mums, and I still have the wire in some of these. So what I do is I just find the end of the wire and I just pull it out like that. Oops. Okay. Again, right here. Just grab that and pull it out. And it's still in this one, which is a little bit easier to find. See that wire? And you can just grab it with your fingers on these, they're easier. So you pull it out. And see, I just push it up and then pull that wire out like that. It's really simple. Now I can cut it any size, not worry about messing up my scissors. Okay, so I also have some Christmas tinsel here. I've got some little scrap pieces of feather boas. And then I have some tulle that's really sparkly. It's white. What's the brand of it? So let's get started. I'm going to go with the wide ribbons first. I could cut these into small sections like this one is. So I can just, or I can fold it over and go ahead and use it like that if it's not too big or not too small. So I'm just going to put that about right there. There's my center. So I just want to make sure I'm centered up. And there's not going to be any rhyme or reason to this. Some of my best ones have come out really beautifully by doing that. So I can use it like again like that, or I can cut it in half and use it as two, which I think I'll do. I already have that one cut, so I'll use it down here. This one I'll cut too. I'm just going to overlap it on that one a little bit. Cut it. And this backer is just a recycled pizza box that I used. Alright, let me go ahead and get this one. And I think I'm going to cut this one in half. I'm just cutting these little V shapes. This, cutting at an angle. And I don't throw these away either. I use these too. I recycle a lot of stuff. Okay. I also have just, some pieces of the regular acetate. I'm going to fold that over. I'm going to use that right there. Got a smaller piece here. I'll use that one there. I know it looks crazy, but that's just what I want to get going here. There's a smaller piece. I think I'll put that one there. That's another small piece. Go ahead and loop this one. Put it over here. Now on these, what you can do is you can add it to these plain pieces like that and add some sparkle behind it. And all you do is just take your glue gun and just put a real thin layer over part of it. Take that, just quickly dab it down so you don't burn yourself. Again, just a real quick little layer, just tapping it down. And so you've made it sparkly. Okay, let's see, I got these pieces. This is like a deco mesh here with it's black and silver, so it's sparkly as well. Just want to overlap it there. Like I said, there's no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just making it crazy, and I do this a lot with my mums. Some of them are really organized, and then some I just throw throw them together however they come out. Again, I'm going to cut that one. I think I'll put that one over that. I've got this black piece, so I think I'll put it over here. Should be able to put it on top of that one. I'm going to take a piece of this tinsel and find the end of it. There it is. And it's wired, so I want to be careful and use a pair of scissors that's made for wired ribbon. Now I can take it and I can put it on there like this, or I can fold it over, do it like that. I'm just going to staple that 4 times. Take another piece. And I'm going to fold it over. And I'll put this one right here. And the reason why I'm sticking to 2 sections and leaving the sides open is that it'll be easier to build on these and then to come back around and do these sides. Because when I'm doing this crazy, especially this crazy stuff, and I'm building up, if I go all the way around, I just keep having to go on top of ribbons. So this way, I'm not going to ruin these ribbons. I'm going to leave me some spaces to get in there with my stapler. So I have this one too. So I think I'll just put that in there somewhere. It's going to be hard to get to. I'm going to have to go over. And I think I'll do some black feathers. So I'm just going to cut a section off of that. I'm just going to, again, take a stapler. Try to get that center section of it stapled on. You can glue it too. And be another tinsel. Go right here with the tinsel. Kind of like to do it in 3s. So this is how it's looking. I haven't done much orange on it because I don't have a lot of orange, and I could probably just stick to white, black, and silver. Or I could do some orange feathers too. And I might have to cut some more ribbons, but I like to start with all these scrap pieces. I think I'll put that there. Maybe that in there. Orange. Let's see. I'm going to have to go up over to get that stapled